There are growing calls for police to use body cameras, the small cameras installed on the uniforms of frontline staff. It's claimed they help protect officers and the public. They're already in use in New Zealand by corrections officers in prisons. SPCA inspectors started using them in 2016. And some councils also employed the technology to keep at-risk staff safe. They've been proven to reduce aggression. Overseas studies suggest police who use body cams have up to 93% fewer complaints from the public because they keep the behaviour of both officers and offenders in check. But police here don't use them. Emily Cooper finds out why.
Kitting up for a day at work at Rimutaka Prison. Corrections officer Ray Seals' apparel includes a stab-resistant vest, pepper spray and a body camera.
Keeps us safe, changes the mindset of prisoners, I think.
It completely changes the dynamics of the situation that the staff member is facing. And what we know is if somebody knows that they're being recorded, they also know that can be used as evidence.
Corrections have used body cameras since 2015, investing upwards of $1.7 million in them.
Absolutely sound investment. You know, any investment that we make to enhance the security and safety of our staff and the prisoners that we look after here as well is a good investment.
Now the Police Association says it wants the same protection for its officers.
We think it's really worth exploring.
Between December 2016 and December last year, 313 police officers were assaulted, and the association says attacks are becoming more violent.
Police weren't available to comment on camera, but in a statement said they are continuing to monitor the use of body cameras by other agencies and any potential benefits, but there are no plans for their immediate introduction. Police say there would be legal and privacy issues that would have to be worked through.
But human rights lawyer Michael Bott says cameras would protect both police and the public.
Because often experience shows that people prefer to believe the word of an officer than a person who's complaining about the officer. And so having a body camera that's operating at the time of any interaction with the police is a wonderful source of evidence.
Government departments like the Ministry of Business, Innovation and Employment have recently begun using them for field staff, including immigration officers, labour and tenancy investigators. Some councils even use them to protect parking wardens.
I think let's get on with it. Let's understand the issues from especially the Australian jurisdictions, but also perhaps the UK and corrections and the like in New Zealand. And then let's get some paper out there for people to talk about and have the discussion, and let's get some costings.
Chris Cahill says he accepts cameras cost a lot, but they could stop more violent situations from occurring. Emily Cooper, One News.